What's that one cost? $7 million. Check that order out. I almost took it for the straight up convenience of it's exactly where I'm about to go, but man, it's Easter right now. Happy Easter, everyone. This is day 2, or video 2 of today's. Kind of doing a double header today because I know tomorrow I'm not filming, that's for sure, because we're doing the UFC countdown stuff with Tony Ferguson, and I've committed to daily vlogs. So basically, got to do 2 vlogs today. Anyways, another one, but this one's pretty far. You know, I'm not driving 7.7 miles for $10.25 today because the orders have been pretty good so far. Today's the, well, I mean, this is the second video I'm doing today, and the first video we got some pretty good orders, so everything was like $3 a mile. So I'm being a little bit extra picky right now. Sometimes you have to be picky when, especially like when it's like a good time to drive around right now, like right now is. You got to be extra picky. So, yeah, another decline, hard pass on that one. Anyway, so what's the worst named restaurant? So comment down below. Let me know in the questions or in the comments. What do you think is the worst named restaurant? Because that place that I just declined was called Whole Mole. The first one I declined, Whole Mole. What the heck is that supposed to mean? And what kind of restaurant is Whole Mole? Anyways, all right, be right back. I'm gonna wait till I get an order to get this video started. This is the problem with dashing in places where you don't know anything. I have no idea where to go for the orders because I don't know where any of these restaurants are. So I guess I'm gonna stop driving around because I've been just pretty much driving around aimlessly for the last 5 minutes, like waiting for an order to come in. I'm like, why am I driving around? I should just park, and now I'm on the side of the street. I don't even know if this is illegal to park on this street because it says no parking. Oh no, it says for street sweeping. Yeah, man, what you got? California is like a landmine of places to easily get a ticket, you know? Like they have so many. Look at this, $11.75 for 6.7 miles. Let's see where it's delivering to. Looks like it's delivering to an island. I'm definitely taking that. Look at that, that's an island. It just seems like very interesting. It's an island on the beach, which I didn't even know existed. Maybe it's like a freaking, what is this? Anaheim Bay. Well, it's near Anaheim Bay. It looks like it's probably like the richest freaking place ever. And it's delivering to a house, it appears. Yep, delivering to a house on an island. You got to take a bridge there. That is an order I'm definitely taking because they got to be super rich, for one. For two, it's from IHOP, which is almost, I feel like it's an almost guaranteed post tip. Let's see how big the order is. Oh. Let's see. Order's tiny, actually, $44. Probably not going to get a tip, but it's $11.75 or something like that. Yeah. For 6 miles, almost $2 a mile. I'm down to take it. Plus, I really want to check out this island, you know? Delivering to an island in California. Doesn't make any sense on paper, but that's what we're doing. Yeah, what is this intersection? Look at this. We got a street right here. You got to turn. I actually need to turn, go left, and then right over there. This is like a freaking... And then there's a street over there. What is going on? This is like the most confusing intersection of all time, for sure. Definitely, like, we don't have this kind of stuff in Las Vegas because everything is on a grid, you know? Every single street is like, it's just square. In California, there's just no direction. It's just going everywhere. And yeah, that's just a weird turn, you know? It says left and right immediately, like, weird. Anyway, oh, so that's Beach Boulevard right there. So I guess we're on Beach in Ellis, if you guys know where that is. Beach Boulevard, and well, I suppose there's like 4 intersections right here, so I don't know, we're on a bunch of different Beach in Ellis and a few other, I don't know. Anyways, be right back. Just thought I'd throw out how confusing this intersection is. I wish I would have filmed that, but I literally, a Bugatti just passed me right now, which makes sense. We're in a freaking super rich area right now. But man, I wish I would have got that on film, except it was going like 100 miles an hour, so I couldn't film it. Literally, actually probably going about 80 miles an hour on Beach Boulevard. Very, very irresponsible, but I might be doing the same thing if I had a freaking Bugatti. I don't know. Honestly, I don't even know if I've seen a Bugatti before that. That was crazy. Only in like videos. Yeah, not gonna lie, I am so happy right now because I looked and I was like, oh my god, IHOP is so packed right now. There's so many people here. And they're all dining in a freaking tent outside, which is kind of strange that everyone has to dine in tents outside, you know? I don't know, that's kind of weird. But anyway, so the order says to just stay parked in your car and call the store and they'll bring it out to you, which I'm like, hell yeah, I did not want to go into that freaking packed place anyways. Oh no, it looks like they can dine in now, but I guess everyone has a freaking outdoor restaurant too, which is kind of cool, I guess. Like, if you just keep up your tent, you can, you know what, I feel like Las Vegas didn't do that, because we're in Las Vegas, it's so windy, and they don't, like, I don't know, you just can't have tents outside in Las Vegas. I mean, maybe there was a few restaurants that did it, but it's definitely not as common as here. I'm driving around, there's freaking tents everywhere. But it's kind of like cool because everyone has their own outdoor tent now. And like, kind of makes sense to just keep it up. Do you want to eat indoors or outdoors? Everyone has the option of eating outdoors now. Which, that's kind of cool. I feel like California is back to like full, like, not full capacity or anything, but like, you can pretty much, it's almost back to normal, it seems. I feel like everyone just kept the tents up. EOS, the gym that I go to, they had an outdoor tent for working out, and that thing freaking flew away. So now they just have the skeleton of a tent outside. Anyways, alright, be right back. Gotta call the restaurant. Alright, well, anyway, so just called the restaurant. It's supposed to be ready right now. 10:46, and it's supposed to be ready at 10:47. They said it's gonna be another 15 minutes though, but then I just looked and it says it's a family feast with bacon. So probably gonna take a while. Family feast. Anyways, I'm really excited to deliver to this island. That's kind of cool. Never delivered to an island before. I didn't even know there was islands in California, to be straight up honest. Like, I had no idea that there was an island. But I feel like it's probably a gated community. I don't know. We'll see when we get there. Ooh, she's coming out with the order, I think. Alright, well, she said it was gonna be 15 minutes and it was totally ready right away. And then she came out and said to not call from curbside, and Doordash drivers have to come inside, which is funny because it says right here, pick up instructions upon arrival, park in curbside or carside spot, call the restaurant, wait in your vehicle, follow CDC coronavirus laws. Guidelines, not laws. Anyways, alright, be right back. Let's drive to this island. Check this out, freaking an island. That is so blurry. These bikers just taking up the middle of the road. Alright, we're about to cross onto the island pretty soon. I'm so excited to see what this looks like. This might be the most excited I've ever been for a delivery, because yeah, we're about to cross a bridge onto an island in California. Like, did you guys know that there's little miniature islands in Huntington Beach area? I didn't know, so we're about to find out. Look at these palm trees. Bam! Palm Tree Lane. That is nice. Look at that, going on to the island. Up. I tried to film that. It says no outlet, and there's no outlet because we're on an island. We're about to cross, literally crossing onto the island right now. Oh yeah, oh yeah. This is rich person city. Look at that. Oh my god, castle. There's a castle. Oh my god. This is exciting. Alright, I know someone's watching this video who lives probably in this area and is like, dude, you're fucking stupid. This is not an island. It is technically an island though. Kinda. Not gonna lie, I thought it was gonna be a gated community, but it's not. It's just a normal community. So, and the houses are actually pretty normal in this specific spot that I'm delivering to. But when you got beachfront property like this, man, that house has got to cost so much money. I'm gonna Zillow this and see how much these houses cost. Be right back, because I actually got to walk up to the door right now. Wow. Okay, just delivered to the island house. Checking Zillow real quick. Check this out. Oh, come on, camera. I need you to focus now. There we go. This house that I just delivered to costs $2.88 million. It looks like a pretty normal house. Like, not gonna lie, my house is probably bigger than that. But the location, though, freaking amazing. And I'm blurry. Hold on a sec. Unblur. Come on, camera. We can do this. And there's also a guy walking his dog. Is like, what the heck is this guy doing talking to a camera right now? Oh my God, these houses are nice. I'm gonna drive around this little island real quick. All these houses are in the $2.8 to $4 million houses. All of them. Oh my God. When you live on an island, I feel like they should at least have a gated community, you know? Like, this is a freaking, it's a miniature island in California, in like the nicest part of this. That's probably the most expensive house I've ever delivered to, not gonna lie, because I've delivered to some freaking mansions in Las Vegas, but they don't cost that much. They're probably only like 1.5 million because they're in Las Vegas. If I had $2.8 million to spend on a house, I might get it in Las Vegas though, because can you imagine what you're freaking... Actually, I don't know. If I had that much money, I'd probably live in California. I don't know. Man, that's a good question, because your money would go way further in Las Vegas. Like, you would have a freaking castle. Look at this castle. That one is $4.2 million. $4.2 million. Sorry, I'm just like literally giving you guys a tour of this freaking island right now. Oh my God, what is, look at, I don't know if you can even see that. That's a freaking castle right here. Look at this. Not gonna lie, that'd probably be a pretty bad, oh my God, look at that one. Boom. What's that one cost? What is that? $7 million. $7 million. Am I reading that right? Oh no, 4.7 million. Oh my God, 4.7 million. They only showed me the 0.7. Holy crap. Holy crap. These houses are insane. Sorry, I'm just giving you guys a freaking tour of these people's island. I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty damn exciting. Anyways, okay, we're gonna exit this island now, because I could just drive around this all day long. What is this called? Davenport Island. I needed that shot for the video to clarify that we are on a freaking island right now. Davenport Island. Dope. Okay, cool. Anyways, so, not gonna lie, whatever order comes in after that is not gonna be as exciting as that one was. So we are going to wrap up today's video right there. Ooh, we got a nice post tip too. Of course we got a nice tip. You better freaking tip, they live in an island. Anyways, all right, whatever happens after today, dashing is not going to be as exciting as delivering to an island, because that might be the most exciting delivery I've ever done in my life, to be straight up honest, except for like the times I've delivered to like celebrities and stuff. Okay, so that being said, smash the like button if you guys enjoyed this video at all. Please just help me out and just help me through this guide through this YouTube algorithm back up to the top, because we've been doing pretty crappy lately. And also subscribe if you guys haven't yet. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Peace, guys. Oh, also real quick, just go check out offaccessacrobatics.com. That's my footwear company. Get yourself some shoes. You can use the discount code OFFACCESSTANNER for 30% off. Thanks for watching, guys. You can get yourself a hat or some shoes or whatever you want. We'll see you. Peace. Okay, real quick, before I let you guys go, I just have to say, I can't film this because I'm driving on PCH right now, but have you guys ever been on PCH and looked out to see the freaking... Look, let me just show you real quick. I don't know if this is going to do any justice. Yeah, I don't think that would do any justice, because it's so, like, foggy out there, but there's, like, little miniature cities, which are probably cruise ships or something, just parked way out there. That's totally insane. Like, the small things in life kind of blow my mind. Like, that there's basically, like, I'm like probably like 10 miles away from that, and I can see a freaking city that's floating on the water. Like, it's not like an oil thing. It's a freaking gigantic boat. Like, there's a bunch of them. Like, let me... Boat. That's an oil rig. Anyways, all right. I'll let you guys go. But just little things in life blow my mind like that. Crazy.